last penny we had to buy me a dancing dress. Mama washed and combed and curled my hair, and then she painted my eyes and lips. Then I stepped into a satin dancing dress that had a split on the side, clean up to my head. It was red velvet trim and it fit me good. Standing back from the looking glass there stood a woman where a half-grown kid stood. Say, here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Mama dabbed a little bit of perfume on my neck, then she kissed my cheek. Then I saw the tears welling up in her troubled eyes as she started to speak. She looked at a pitiful shack, and then she looked at me and took a ragged breath. She said, your pa's run off and I'm real sick and the baby's gonna starve to death. She handed me a heart shaped like it said, to thine own self be true. And I shivered as I watched the ropes crawl across the toe of my high-heel shoe. It sounded like somebody else who was talking, asking, Mama, what do I do? She said, just be nice to the gentleman fancy, and they'll be nice to you. She said, here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Lord, forgive me for what I do, but if you want it, well, it's up to you. No, don't let me down, or your mama's gonna put you uptown. Well, that was the last time I saw my mom, the night I left that rickety shack. The welfare people came and took the baby, mama died and I ain't been back. But the wheels of fate had started to turn, and for me there was no way out. It wasn't very long till I knew exactly what mama been talking about. I knew what I had to do, and I made myself this solemn vow that I was gonna be a lady someday, though I don't know when or how. But I couldn't see spending the rest of my life with my head on down in shame. You know I might have been going just plain white trash, but fancy was my name. She said, here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. It wasn't long after 11 the man took me in off the streets. And 1 week later I was pouring his tea in a 5-room hotel suite. I charmed a king, a congressman, an occasional aristocrat. Then I got me a Georgia mansion and an elegant New York townhouse flat, and I ain't done bad. Now in this world there's a lot of self-righteous hypocrites who call me bad. They criticize mama for turning me out, no matter how little we had. But though I ain't had to worry about nothing for 9 or 15 years, well, I can still hear the desperation in my poor mama's voice ringing in my ears. She said, here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Here's your one chance, fancy, don't let me down. Lord, forgive me for what I do, but if you want out, well, it's up to you. No, don't let me down, or your mama's gonna put you uptown. When I get you.
Flint, everybody.